So Shakil, once again, in the test-driven development approach, in the previous video, we have created the test file first. In the test-driven, as it is test-driven development approach, so we have to create the test file. Then, in accordance with that, we have created the necessary file and folders. Okay, so I am giving you the form files. The output is like that. This is the output. We have created the form, style it, and in accordance with that we have created the test file. First of all, we have created the test file, and I have tried my level best to use rest of the queries like get by level text, get by placeholder text, get by text. And not only that, I have used get by test id. This is the last result. If you can remember, in the previous video I told you this is the last result. I have tried to excuse me, I have tried to use it, and if you match it, you will understand. And it had some, in the test file, it had some little bit of errors. I have solved it by my own accord. So this is pretty simple, and errors are minor errors. Okay, so if you match it with your main file, and this is the main file, and I have given you the relevant css file over here, and finally I have connected my form with the in the f file. You see how to use the f file, my form, and after that the built-in react necessary things. Okay, so this is very simple. You will see the form, necessary css file, and I have connected it with the app, and tests are done. And see, finally we are successful. All the tests are passed. 9 tests have been passed. Two test shoots, because we have two describe blocks. One is in the app folder and another is the form test.js. So test shoots, total 9 tests have been passed. Congratulations. And what we have done over here, I can give a quick recap. We have tried our level best to get by placeholder text, another new query, get by text, new query, and the on and only get by. If you don't find any query or area role, you can use as the last result get by test id. And in get by test id, what's the name you are giving, it must be matched. Let's see. To get by test id, you have to use it get data test id, and these two names must be matched, otherwise test will not pass. So, excuse me, I am using it here. Sorry, titles, test will fail. Test will fail because it doesn't match. So all tests are passed. So it's pretty simple and easy. If you don't understand, if you have any problems, if you don't understand, hit the comment. I will answer. Okay. So all our tests are passed, and this is the output. This is the login form I have created and tested. Okay, and I have tried my level best to use rest of the queries, because we have used get by role most of the times. This is the first priority. We should use it, and all time it is not possible to get by role to get the area roles. If you don't get it, you can use it get by level text, get by placeholder text, get by text, get by alter text, get by title, and as a last resort you can use get by test id. So I have used it also. So I think this will come handy and give you a good graphs and understanding of everything. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. In the next video or next 2 or 3 videos, we will discuss about some topics which we have not covered yet, and we will go for integration testing. Okay, so no more today. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon. Thank you very much.